Guys, welcome back to the channel. I want to do a Tesla Model Y order update. I'm just headed over to the car wash, but I had this. This is my Tesla Model. This is my Tesla Model S, 2015 Tesla Model S, and I had it in the Tesla Service Center. It went there on Friday, and it stayed over the weekend. I got an upgrade to it, so I want to do it. I'll do a video of that. My next video will be about that, so stay tuned for that. But I really love this car. I love Tesla. I love the cars. Sometimes the experience isn't as great, but I've done a video in the past about how the Tesla service isn't great, and there's other experiences, and other people have shared comments about how their service center experience isn't great. But I want to give you an example. So I took the car in on Friday. I had an appointment on Friday. I had the appointment for 3 weeks. It took 3 weeks to get this appointment, or to wait for the appointment time to start. I take it in on Friday. They were doing an upgrade. They already had all the parts, and they're like, okay, so you're basically just in line now. I'm like, I thought I was in line for the last 3 weeks. Like, why can't you guys get to my car right now? They're like, now you're in the queue to get your car worked on. It'll most likely get done on Monday. I'm like, all right, well, luckily I have 3 cars in my house, so I have my truck that I can drive, and my wife has her car and so I'm like, okay, that's fine. I mean, luckily it's not going to put me at an inconvenience. They don't have they don't have many loaners anymore, so they give you Uber credits, which I do appreciate. That is cool that they give you an Uber credit. It's like $100 a day in Uber credits to be able to get around, which is pretty cool. They're like, okay, when you come in on Friday, you're going to get the Uber credits, and we'll give it to you for Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Monday, you'll have almost $400 in Uber credits. And I'm like, well, I really don't need that, because I'll just Uber back from the service center, and then when it's ready, I'll go back. I'll just take an Uber down. I have another vehicle I can drive. I don't have to worry about Ubering everywhere I want to go. So I get a message on the service center. So when you take your car into Tesla, they don't call you. They don't communicate with you other than just through the app. You just go onto the service tab on the app. You go on there, and there's messages. That's how you communicate with your service advisor. I do like that. It is cool that they have that messaging feature. At like 11:30 at Friday night, they're like, hey, your car's done. Your car's completed. Pay the invoice. This wasn't a warranty deal. This was something that I had to pay, that I was paying for, the upgrade on the car. And I go in there, and I'm like, okay, it's done. I'll pay the bill. So I go in and I paid the invoice. But then also in the messaging, it says the service center hours are open Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. They didn't say they set up like an after-hours delivery for my car. They didn't say come get your car now. It just said pay your invoice, and the service center hours are 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday. Well, that's Friday night, and I'm like, well, I could have gone down and gotten it Saturday, but I'm not going to go all the way down just to have it not ready or available. And so I didn't go Saturday. I didn't go Sunday, and so Monday rolls around. I'm like, okay, I'm going to go down and get it. So I go into my Uber account, and the voucher was taken away. Tesla gives you a voucher to use your Uber credits for rides. And so I'm like, I'm going to schedule my ride to go down there on Monday. This was like mid-morning after rush hour, and the voucher was gone. So I was kind of surprised. I'm like, what's going on? So I don't know. Anyways, the Uber credits were taken away, and what I'm guessing and what I might have heard from the past is that they go away after a day or two. Your car's ready. But the problem is my car wasn't ready. It wasn't like available for pickup. I go down on Monday. My wife actually took me down there on Monday. I go in there, and the car's sitting in the parking lot. The key's not in there. It's not set up for after hours delivery. I still had to go in and talk with someone to get the key for it. Now, it's not a huge deal. I mean, it would have been nice if they just would have let the Uber credits carry over till Monday so I could get the car on Monday, but they didn't do that. And then I messaged them several times over the weekend, and no one responded. No one responded on Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I messaged them like 3 or 4 times, and they just didn't respond. And so I was kind of bummed about that. It's nice that they do the Uber thing. I mean, I don't think any other car dealership service departments like give you Uber credits. I don't know. I've only been to like a Ford and a Chevy dealer, and you're just on your own in those places. So I guess that is good, but it's just another way that just lack of communication, which has been kind of frustrating. Which was kind of frustrating about that experience. But anyways, guys, so an update on the Model Y order. It's another week. It's been about a week since my last video, and I keep getting people messaging me, which I really appreciate, about what's the update on the car. Have you gotten the VIN number? What's the deal? So the deal is that the date changed this morning. I don't even know why I check anymore. I shouldn't check, but I can't help myself. I'm in my Tesla app already. I already have another Tesla, so I'm able to like control my car. When I'm in there, I just check. It's easy to do. But my previous date range was May 23rd to June 20th. I had almost a month range. And it changed this morning from May 20, it changed to the 28th of May to June 11th. So the back end date was moved up a little bit. And the front date was pushed forward. So it's like my window was here, it went like this. This went a little longer out, and this was shortened. My window was shortened a little bit. What's interesting though, this same exact thing happened in April. We're in May now. The same exact thing, exactly. It's like a replica of April. What happened? It really is, and it's kind of frustrating because I know that I'm not getting it during that time. I'm not getting it between May 28th and June 11th. I know I'm not getting it like that. So they're just teasing me again with another date range. I don't even know what happens when you get your VIN number. I'll pause here for a minute. I'm just going through the car wash. All right, I'm out of the car wash. So anyways, my date range has changed again. Like I was saying, it's almost exactly what happened last month. So I'm really not that optimistic about it. But I appreciate everyone leaving the comments down below of what their date ranges are, because what their estimated delivery dates are, because it's helpful for me to know, like, should I be expecting this or not, or what's going on right now. I'll keep you guys posted. So May 28th is kind of the first day of that range right now for me. So if I get any updates then or before then, I'll make another video. Hopefully I get a VIN number. I mean, I'm really hoping I do, but I'm not gonna hold my breath because I've been burned for many months now. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching the video. Hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks.